In different sizes and colors now. And here's a bowl of my blueberry harvest. And here's the muffins, lemon blueberry muffins. Bitter melon. The bitter melon is very nutritious. It's very rich in iron. So for those who, I'm adding this egg here on top. As much as I love to harvest from the backyard garden and prepare meals from scratch, some evenings are just meant for slowing down. So tonight's dinner is more of semi-homemade in the backyard garden. Earlier we went to Trader Joe's after our morning run, or morning walk or morning run, to get some of our picnic favorites. So we have the shrimp skewers, and then we have the baguette, and also watermelon, and peaches, cherries. We have anchovies, more of a peaceful way to enjoy the garden, and a yummy meal with the family. So let's put everything together. Let's start with the shrimp. So the shrimp, I just quickly grill. So I marinated this in lemon. I'm just adding the sautar, and then more of this and then olive oil. Let's add olive oil. So with the burrata mozzarella we got from Whole Foods. So let's start with this one. A little bit of salt. So this is the only one that I need to more of cook or grill. The rest are more of just putting them together. Then watermelon, just a portion of this watermelon. We have a lot of other food too. For now, baguette. And then just like this, not yet. This is ripe. have anchovies. We love this. This is from Whole Foods. I'll just put everything together and I'll see you in the backyard garden. Here's our backyard dinner. Beautiful weather, spring weather. My favorite. I'm moving to hot water. But continuing. It's a little cold, but it's not that cold yet, no? You hear the birds. Mockingbirds and hummingbirds, just favorite. Later I will show you the babies. No? The babies are there, you see? Now time to eat Josh. Burrata, eat prawn. There you go. Wow. Awesome mix of flavors, no? And texture. Yum, yum. There are mosquitoes. I just use this like citronelle. This is citronelle to repel them. But you have to like sort of crush them so it releases that smell that mosquitoes don't like. So I just scatter them on the floor. And also like sometimes like I do this and then put them on like where my skin is like more of like vulnerable to the mosquitoes. So that's what I do. So here before we have our backyard dinner, I would scatter like citronelle so they stay away from us. This plant, and it has beautiful flowers too. Look, Josh and Daddy, they already went inside the house. I'm waiting for, oh, there's a hummingbird. You see a hummingbird?